So you want some kind of a truth serum?
The kind that makes someone spill their guts.
No needles. Odorless, tasteless, liquid, and fast.
Just a few drops in the drink, someone takes a hit of that, and they end up like a third grader in a principal's office.
Do you even think about asking whoever it is nicely?
You know, we're almost past the point of asking you nicely. You gonna help us or not?
Chemically induced honesty, huh? Interesting. But there are better ways. All right. Who's the target? Maybe we can talk to...
It's just us and you. Don't play overprotective brother-in-law now.
We don't want to end up like your last partner, in Dayglow Orange doing 10 in the pen.
How is Crystal? She made any new friends?
All right, that's enough. Just get the hell out.
You know, David, for a doctor, you are really not that smart. After what you did to me, my sister, and my niece, you owe me big.
You owe a lot of us. And you don't get to say no.
Greenlee, are you threatening me?
Okay, listen. You are now in the land of nod. We tell you what we want, and you nod. Can you do that for us?
How about a practice run? David, you gonna make us a truth serum?
What have you both been sniffing?
Wrong answer.
Hey!
Wanna do this again?
All right, that's enough. If Leo were here right
We
now...
wouldn't talk to you.
Why don't you consider this a fraction of the payback for what you did to my sister?
Look, trust me, I will always regret the pain that I caused Bianca.
Then prove it.
Come on, we're letting you start off so easy.
Oh, really? If it's so easy, why don't you make it yourselves?
Come on, David, listen. It's not like we're asking you to do the impossible here. You are the master of all mix masters. You could do this in your sleep. Just say we have a deal.
Or we'll start experimenting on our own.